Hello, this is Obapa. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipe. That is chocolate body butter. You are all welcome to my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video. So these are the ingredients that we are going to use. You need a shea butter. You know shea butter is very good for the skin. Shea butter contains a lot of skin benefits. Also, we need cocoa butter, and this cocoa butter I made myself. You can check the video out. I will link it down in the description box how to make cocoa butter. And also you need sweet almond oil, and you know sweet almond oil is very good for the skin. It can lighten dark spots and clear blemishes. Also, you need cocoa powder. We are using the one that doesn't contain sugar. So this is the one that we are going to use. It's very good for the skin. You also need lime essential oil. You know lime also can clear dark spots and blemishes. That's why I'm using lime essential oil. So next, all you need to do is add your shea butter and your cocoa butter, also your almond oil into one microwave bowl. So this is the bowl I'm using. You can use any bowl that can contain heat. Melt cocoa butter, shea butter and almond oil in a double boiler. So we are using double boiler method to melt our oil. One thing about making your own cocoa butter or chocolate body butter is you know the ingredient that you put in it. That's one thing about skincare. If you decided to make your own product, try to know the ingredient that you put in it. Learn about it and learn about the benefits of the ingredient. That's how I learn about things. If I see a recipe that I like, I try to Google and learn about the benefits of the ingredient. So heat the oil over a medium heat. So you can see now our oil is melting. The best way is never heat your oil direct. Otherwise, you lose a lot of nutrients in it. So the best way is do double boiler method. So after your oil has melted, add your cocoa butter and stir the mixture very well. So I love cocoa. I love cocoa. That's one of my favorites. If cocoa is in my recipe, wow, I'm dying for it because of its benefits. So you cover and place the bowl in a fridge. We are going to place it in the fridge for 30 or 20 minutes, depends on everybody. So you know, once the mixture has almost complete hardened, so you can see it didn't harden complete, with just a pool of liquid on top, remove from the fridge. So you add your essential oil, but you can choose to add any essential oil that you like. I decided to use lime essential oil because of its benefit. You can even choose to add fragrance oil to give it a nice scent without any benefit. Next, start whipping your butter. So you start whipping your butter. So most of the ingredients is changeable. That's why I say you know what you put in it. For the butter, you can even use mango butter or aloe butter. It depends on you. So you keep whipping. It will take time. Nowadays, I have decided that my videos, I'm going to make it a little longer because most people say my videos are too fast, and it's true. So I'll make it a little longer. So you keep whipping on a high speed. Cocoa powder helps even skin tone because of the flavanoid found in it. Also, cocoa powder is very good for the skin because it contains a lot of antioxidants which slow down the skin aging. It can also clear dark spots, blemishes, and can also face scars. So you see, cocoa powder have a lot of benefits. And if you use cocoa powder on your skin is really going to look very like chocolate color, clear. You don't have any dark spots on it. That's one thing. So after we finish whipping our chocolate body butter, place it back in the fridge for 5 minutes. You cover it and place it back in the fridge for 5 minutes. This is going to help the chocolate body butter not to melt, or any butter that you do not to melt, especially when your environment is very hot. Normally we live in Africa, our environment is sometimes very hot. So when you make body butter, it melts. when you put it down, it melts. So this is the best way. It's going to keep it from melting. So after you bring it back from the fridge after 5 minutes, you whip it for it to look fluffy like this. Yes. So after you finish whipping it, and even you place it down or you didn't even put it in the fridge, it's not going to melt. It's going to look the same way as you did it. So now you have your chocolate body butter. Next, you place it in a piping bag. So you spoon the mixture into a piping bag. You can leave this one out. You can spoon it straight into your container, but because my container is very small, that's why I want to pipe it into the container. So make sure that always sanitize your environment where you are working. You have to sanitize it with hot water and even with alcohol. Make sure you clean everything, because this body butter doesn't contain preservative. That's one thing about body butter. Body butter doesn't contain preservative. So now you have your chocolate body butter. Please enjoy. Please check out my second YouTube channel at Queen Mother DIY TV. Just search for the name and you are going to find me. I have a lot of videos there that you are going to enjoy. Please subscribe to that channel too, because I love to cook. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share my video, and leave me a comment.
Let's go.